guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Nikki. Guys, today we are going to make some Guyanese float bake. Guys, you can have this baked with saltfish, you can have it with fried pumpkin, you can have it with callaloo, you can have it with fried egg. Whatever you choose to eat it with, guys, you can eat this way. Okay, so this is how I make it, and so let's go through the ingredients and get started. Here I have a pinch of nutmeg, a little bit, half teaspoon vanilla extract. We have half cup of brown sugar, but we're not going to use all because I don't like my float bake sweet. Here I have my yeast, my water, and I have 2 cup flour here, and I have my butter. The reason why you see salt here because my butter is salted butter. Okay, so let's get started. If you want, guys, you don't have to put in the nutmeg and the vanilla extract. You could just use the butter, a pinch of salt, the yeast, the water, or milk, whichever one you choose to mix it with. Okay, but me, I like my bake to have in the nutmeg and the vanilla extract. So in my bowl here, as you see, I'm going to add in not all of the flour because I just want about 6 or 5 bakes. I'm going to add in that, and I'm going to add in all of my stuff. I'm going to add in the sugar now. About that's okay, because as you can see, the sugar is very cold still, so I want to overdo it. And my pinch of nutmeg. I don't want the nutmeg to taste too strong inside, but it must taste, but not too strong. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the same spoon, and I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of yeast. But if you have the packet yeast, you can use 1 pack of yeast, and that's it. I'll put 1.5 teaspoon. If you have the packet, you can use the whole pack, and that's it. So here I have my butter. I'm going to put in about 1 teaspoon of butter. I'm not putting a baking powder in here. I don't like it, but as you can see, but that's okay. And I'm going to mix these together. Make sure your hand clean because you have to go in with your hand sooner or later. So make sure your hand clean. So now we're going to mix. Make sure everything mixes properly. Okay, so I'm going to add in my water. This is warm water. The 1 cup, as you can see there, but I'm not adding in the whole 1 cup, but half. And then we're going to mix it in. As I said in the beginning, I just want my bake with more taste, so that's why I add in the nutmeg and the vanilla extract. So if you want, you can just use the butter, the salt, a little baking powder, and the yeast. But as you can see, I use no baking powder. I don't want no baking powder. So we're going to mix this until the sugar is melted, and then we're going to do the rest of our flour. As I tell you, I don't want a lot, just about 5 or 6. It's just for 2. Okay, I mix my one until the sugar is melted because the sugar is very cold. So I'm going to add in my flour. So you can see I have it all at once. I'm going to mix this in. Okay, so it's time to me to go in with my hand. My hand was washed, but I still wash it back. Okay, so I'm going to add in the balance of flour and bring this stuff very clean my spoon. And I'm going to knead this to a ball, guys. Gonna get all that flour working. The dough is very soft. You don't need it too stiff either. Need it too soft. As you mix it, you clean it. Okay, the dough start come together. Okay, so I'm going to leave this right in here and cover it with a wet paper towel or damp towel. I'm going to leave it in there, and when it double in size, I'm going to get back to you guys and show you the next step. Okay guys, we are back. As you can see, it double in size already, so we're going to set up the other stuff then to get it parcel up. Guys, I have my board in the corner there done already flour. So we're going to work on this now. I'm going to knead this back a little. You can see there. And what I'm going to do, flour my hand again. To hold it like this, and I'm going to squeeze out the amount that I needed. That's what we're looking for. We're going to put it here again for it to double in size but for 10 minutes, and then we're going to start frying. So when I finish that, I will get back to you guys. I am getting the directions out of it. So when I finish parceling off, I'm going to cover it now in a paper towel or a towel, a full towel, and I'm going to leave it for the next 10 minutes and let it double in size, okay? Hi guys, I am back. As you can see, my bake double in size again. So I knead it back, and now I'm going to use my roti roller, and I'm going to mix. Roll it, not too thin, neither not too thick. And my pan is on hotting with oil, and I'm going to put it in the pan, and I can show you guys the next step. So that's how I make it. As I tell you in the beginning, you don't have to add all of that stuff if you want, but I just want my bake to have a lot of taste in it, so that's why I had my vanilla extra and the nutmeg. So it's up to you. So when I done do this, you're going straight to the pan. And the next way too you can do it like is flour in your hand, and you can make the circle with your hand. You don't have to get the roti roller. You can do it with your hand too, and like this, and you can get it in the pan. Perfect. So let me have this in the pan and we'll get back to you guys. Okay, I just put it in my pan. So what I'm going to do is use the high like this on top. Until it raises. I'm going to turn. As you can see now, it raises. As I turn it and I keep doing the same thing. We're going to keep doing it like this. And then we're going to turn it one more time till we get a nice golden color. And then we're going to take it out. So that's what we're looking for, guys. Make sure your stove is not too high. Okay? Okay, guys. This is the color I want. This color is perfect. I don't want to redo it or anything. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm going to take it out now and add in. So what I'm going to do, all the rest, I'm going to do just like this. And I'm going to get back to you guys with the finishing. Hi guys, here's my finishing products. I just finished it. It's still hot, but guys, you cannot break into it because it's still cooking inside because it's hot. So all I'm going to do is pick up the first one, because the first one got done cold, and we're going to break into it and see how soft it is. So as I say, you can have this with any stew that please you, but soft fish is always tastes better with it. So let's go. As you can see here, see there guys, you see how the inside look? Perfect. See, and you just put your soft fish in there and you're good to go. Or your egg or fried fish and you're good to go, guys. See, very soft and nice. So guys, if you do enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think, and please hit that subscribe button and that bell at the side so you can always be notified every time I upload a video. And to my new subscribers, you guys are welcome. Thank you guys so much for your support. And to my old subscribers, thank you guys too so much for your support. Love you guys. And all the ingredients will be down in the description box. Okay guys? Enjoy. Bye.